Of like a Nasus or Lissandra in it. Oh, I'm gonna get orbs. Oh, I'm gonna get anvils. I'm gonna get anvils, so I should just chill. Okay, I just have to hit one Lissandra. Okay, sweet. Oh, I think it's Void Stuff. Yeah, I think Void Stuff is more important than GS. They're both important, but I'm pretty sure the Void Stuff is more important. It does kind of suck because now I have to play for specifically Void Stuff. I could double dupe this Nasus now, but I don't know if double duping Nasus is even correct. I mean, it might be. I have a TG for him. Are you gonna go for Alawi 3 again? No. I'm waiting to see. So I'm two Nasus off, 2 Alawi's off. I'm kind of like waiting to see if I can hit like 1-1. Okay, it's not Retribution. I really don't think it's Hold the Line. I don't think it's Radiant Rascal. It's pretty bad. No, oh my god. Is it Belt Overflow? It would make me super tanky. It's also like... fuck. I think of these choices it has to be, but I'm like so weak. Alright, I'm just gonna double